Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video you will learn another amazing automation which will let you connect a project or task management application, that is Asana, with a communication and chatting tool which is called Google Hangouts. So guys, the use case here is that you want to send notification to your team which is present on Google Hangouts for every new task that you are creating on Asana. So with the help of this automation, we are going to make this happen automatically. Okay, let me show you how. So here is the flow of this automation. Here you can see as and when a new task is created in Asana, the task details is going to be sent automatically to your team present on Google Hangouts. So here you need not to manually sort out the details of every new task and manually compile a message and send it to your team. As and when a new task is created, a message along with the task details is going to be delivered automatically, and it will surely going to save a lot of your manual efforts and time, and it will improve your productivity. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part is you can set up this automation in just few steps without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any person can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard here. And here you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this button, which is create workflow button. And here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. I am giving the name as Asana to Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts automation. All right. So you can give any relevant name according to you. After that, you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created. All right. And on this page, you will see the trigger and the action. So this automation work on the trigger and the action. So the trigger here is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new task created in Asana, and the action towards that trigger would be to send a message along with the task details on Google Hangouts. All right. So first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. So from this choose app field, choose the trigger application first, which is Asana. In our case, select this. Okay. Then you have to select the trigger event as new task in project. All right. Then click on connect. From this window, select add new connection, then click on connect with Asana. All right. And from this window, you can see it will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. But as I have already logged in here in Asana, it got connected here automatically. All right. And now it is asking to select the project in which you are creating the tasks. So I have this project opened here. You can see IT request. All right. So this is a project I have created, IT request. So you have to select the project's name from here, right? And then click on save and send test request. And it will start showing waiting for the response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission or test record. This means now you have to create a demo task in this project, and we are going to capture the details of that task here. All right. So this is my Asana's dashboard, and here I have created a board in this project. You can see IT request, and here you can create a task by clicking on this plus icon here on the top right corner. Just click here, then select task, and here you can give the task name. I am giving as a new integration. All right. So you can assign this task from here. All right. And you can select the project in which project you are creating the task. You can select the list in which list you want to add this task. So I want to add this task in the to-do list. You can select the priority of this task, the status. All right. And you can provide a description to this task as well. So I'm providing the description as our client wants a new integration between Asana and Hangouts. All right. So this is how you can provide a description. I have just added a small demo description just to set up this automation. Now you can click here on this create task, and you can see a new task is added here in this to-do list, which you can see on the top of the list. All right. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the details captured of this task or not. And here you can see we got the details of the task captured here like this. So it is showing the details, the priority, the created by the person who have created the task, and the priority, and the what was that, something which is called what was that, status. All right, status of the task is here, and you can see all other things related to the task as well. So this is the list name, this is the data related to the task as the task's name, and the description of the task is also here, right? So now I want to send these details to my team present here on Google Hangouts in this space named as Pabbly Connect. All right. So to make this happen, you need to connect Google Hangouts application here in this action step. So from this choose a field, choose your action application now, which is Google Hangouts. This is it, select it. And in the action event, select create message option, then click on connect. All right, and now it is asking for the chat webhook URL. So guys, to send message in this space here in Google Hangouts, you need to have a chat webhook URL pasted here. So you can click here on this, click here text to see the instructions to get the webhook chat webhook URL. Let me show you how you can do that. So you need to reach your space here in Google Hangouts, and in this space click here, and here you will find this manage webhooks option. So click on manage webhooks, and here you can create a new webhook by clicking on add another webhook, or you can use a previously created chat URL as well, webhook URL as well. So I'm clicking on add another, and here I'm putting the name to this webhook as from Asana. And now you can click on save, and you can see a new chat webhook URL is added here. Now you just have to click on this copy icon, and you have to paste this chat webhook URL here in this field like this. And now you can give a message, you can write a suitable message for your team here in this message field that you want to send to your team. So I am typing the message here as this: hey team, we have got a new task in Asana's list, Asana project, let's see, and the task details are as follows. And here you can give the title of the task, description of the task, and priority, and the status. All right. So guys, to get these things, I'm going to use the first step where we have captured the data of the task, and I'm going to map this data here in this message. So to map the data, just click here on this in front of the title, and you will find this Asana step in the drop down, and when you click on it, you can see all the data that you have captured from the first step. So from here only, map the title, which you can get here by scrolling down a bit more. You will find the title here. So this is the title of the task, new integration, and for the description choose the same process and find the description here, which you will find here. This is the description, and to set the priority you can use the same way, and you will get the priority here. So for the priority you have to select the this field with this label, which is data custom field 0 display value. Here you have to map this display value, and so it's a bit complicated to find these two things, which is the priority and the status. So if you do not want to map it, you can leave this also, or you can map like the in the way I am mapping it. So here you have to, for the status, you need to map the display value of the status, which you will find here. So this is the display value of the status, which is showing off track. All right, map it. Now we are done typing the message for my team. Here I am putting thanks and regards in the last. And now you can check your connection with Google Hangouts by clicking on save and send test request, and a new message will be delivered here in this space, in Pabbly Connect space. Alright, so I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And here you can see this is the response we have received. Let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got a new message. And here you can see we got a new message here as this. You can see it is delivered today from a webhook named from Asana. Alright. So it is showing, hey team, we have got a new task in Asana project. This is the title. This is the all the things related to the task. All right. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And we are done setting up this automation. And here you can see we have connected Asana in the trigger and Google Hangouts in the action, and filled the required things, mapped the details as this. So when you map the details as this, with every new task, this details is going to change and a new message will be delivered with the new details. Alright, so you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to touch at this workflow. After that, it will run automatically and you can use this automation. And I am going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.